A major research initiative into wearable biometric sensors for thoroughbred racehorses is nearing completion, according to Dr. Sara Langsam, chair of the racing committee at the American Association of Equine Practitioners. The project has been investigating how these sensors can serve as early warning systems to identify horses at higher risk of musculoskeletal injury by monitoring movement patterns during high-speed training sessions. 6 companies, including Garmin, StrideSafe, Arioneo, Alogo, Equimetrics, and Stable Analytics, each recruited at least 100 two-year-old thoroughbreds to wear the sensors during every breeze of the 2025 season. Data collection will conclude on December 31, 2025. So far, 2,500 breezes from 542 horses have been recorded, with some attrition expected as horses transitioned from farms to racetracks. Outcomes are categorized as green, yellow, or red, indicating low, moderate, or high risk, with 1,700 breezes marked green, 625 yellow, and 140 red. Horses missing 2 consecutive weekly breezes were required to submit a veterinary report, which can continue to be added to the database through the end of the year. The raw data has not yet been analyzed to determine the predictive accuracy of individual sensors, in order to maintain study integrity. Once complete, analysts will assess which devices most reliably identify horses that may require closer veterinary evaluation or advanced diagnostic testing, emphasizing that technology supplements rather than replaces veterinarians. Dr. Langsam shared that the study's results are expected to be publicly released in the weeks leading up to the 2026 Kentucky Derby. Regulatory bodies will then decide how best to implement the findings. This research follows a series of on-track fatalities at Churchill Downs and Saratoga in 2023, prompting the AAEP to host the first forum on thoroughbred safety and injury prevention. Now that we've lowered fatality rates through rules and regulations, technology is the next step to help us see what the naked eye cannot, Dr. Langsam said. This study accelerates the timeline for these tools to become clinically relevant. Funding for the initiative came from 10 organizations, including Breeders' Cup Limited, Fasig-Tipton, Keeneland Association, NYRA, and the Thoroughbred Owners and Breeders Association. The collaboration represents a significant effort by the industry to use technology to improve equine safety, potentially changing the way racehorses are monitored and cared for during high-performance training.